Alright, so in this video, what I'll be doing is trying to fix this Microsoft Lumia 950, which I got off eBay for 23 bucks. It did not come with its battery, so I had to spend an extra $10 and get a battery, which brought the total to 33 bucks. This phone was listed as broken for parts because somebody had tried to flash Android onto this and completely messed up the OS in the process. The phone turns on and everything, but is missing, or most of its basic system apps are not working, or they're just missing in general. For example, settings. The settings app, when open, prompts you to download an app from the Microsoft Store because it's confused. The app is not there, but the icon is there. The camera doesn't work, storage doesn't work. The only stuff that works is like the flash and some basic other settings. The Wi-Fi doesn't work either. So it's completely messed up on the inside. But I see why the person, whoever tried to do it, tried to install Android, because this phone is a pretty capable phone with some great specifications. It's got wireless charging at 18 watts and some great other features. So I can see why he tried to install Android, because Windows 10 is now a dead OS. As of, I think, in 2 days of this video being uploaded, on the 16th of December, the Windows 8.1 store will be shut down, and Windows 10 mobile store will also go in a couple of months. So Windows Mobile is being phased out really fast. There's no more support for it. So I see why he tried to install Android here. But now let's just go ahead and try and fix this phone. I'm assuming it's an easy fix. Just plug it to a computer and run Windows Mobile's recovery tool. I'm just assuming. It may be a bigger problem than it is, but that's the fun of it. I do these videos for fun. I just buy broken stuff off eBay, usually below $10 to $15. But in certain cases, I go above that, and I try to fix them without spending more money. But in this case, also, I still had to buy the battery. If you want to see all my other videos on this collection, on my eBay repair collection, please check the link in the description and in the card above. And now let's jump into this video. Now let's just turn it on and see, and I'll show you what we have to work with here. You can see the Microsoft logo lights up there. And now we have the Windows 10 logo, Windows 10 Mobile. The AT&T logo, which this phone is, I believe, locked to. And now we're inside the OS. And if you know what a Windows phone looks like, you'll notice that something is completely off here. Because this is all we have as apps. Though storage exists, it still won't work. It asks you, do you want to download an app from the App Store, because it's confused as to its own system apps being missing. The notification center does work, and some of the settings here work. For example, flashlight, that works. The rest of it does not work. Wi-Fi does not work. There is no settings app, like I said. He managed to delete the settings app somehow. I don't know. Probably just a flash error, whatever he was trying to do while trying to install Android. Battery saver does work, and there's a few others that work. Oh, camera doesn't work. See, it doesn't do anything when you click camera. The all apps has gone up here for some reason, and nothing else works properly. File Explorer does seem to be working, but I didn't put anything on there. Apart from that, yeah, there's nothing that works. Cortana wouldn't work without Wi-Fi anyway, because the Wi-Fi won't connect either. But as you can see, something is really wrong with this phone, and now let's try and fix it. The always on display works as well, as you can see here. The time and date are wrong, but it still works. The feature works. Let's unlock it like that. What doesn't it do? Okay, there we go. And let's lock it again, and it should appear. Yep, it does. So I got a USB-C to standard USB-A cable from Newegg for about $5 because I didn't have one. I just had a double-sided USB-C. So now let's just plug this in, and try to recover Windows 10. I'm assuming it's just simple as that, using the flash tool that Microsoft has and just restoring it. I'm assuming it's simple as that, but I don't know. We'll see. Let's just go plug this into a computer. So first, we're going to download the Windows Mobile Recovery Tool. This is for Windows 10 Mobile, as you can see here. So let's go ahead and download it. It started downloading right there. So the recovery tool is done installing. Now let's just launch it and see what it's like. I've never used this before because I've not really messed around with many Windows phones. But yeah, so now it's prompting me to connect the device to the computer. Well, I'll just do that now. Once I plugged it in, now I can see the Lumia 950 on screen here. So I'll just select that. It says please wait. Device info, and so on, firmware version, operating system. You have the latest software version, but I'll just go ahead and reinstall the software. Blah, 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 blah. Why are you recovering this device? Continue without submitting. Downloading package. Now let's just wait till that downloads. The software is now installing, as you can see here. I heard the USB sounds from Windows occasionally, so it's connecting and disconnecting, but we shall see once it's done installing. The phone screen in the meantime has gone red, and it shows the recovery logo up there, and it's slowly recovering. It now says operation successfully completed, so just go ahead and click finish. And the phone seems to be restarting over here. So you can see there, the phone is now restarting, and I'll jump to when it's done starting completely. The phone is now done starting up and is now in the setup screen, as you can see here. So I'll just go ahead and set this up and be right back. Alright, so once I was done with the setup process, I was brought to the Windows 10 mobile home screen, as you can see here, and everything is working just fine. We have the settings app back, and it also works now. We have the storage app, which also is accessible now. Let me just go over there. There it is. So we have, this is a 32 gig phone, so we have 29.1, we have 4.35 that's been used, and everything is now back to normal. So as I figured, it was just that easy, just using Microsoft's Windows Mobile recovery tool to just recover the software and flash a new software on there. So everything works fine now. The only thing that's left to do is unlock it from AT&T. As you can see here, it's locked onto AT&T, but that's okay. I might never do that anyway because I'll never use this as a phone. I'm more of an iPhone user, but this is just a great piece to add to my collection. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and check out my channel if you want to see more content from me. I do all sorts of tech related videos like repairing stuff off eBay, unboxings and reviews. So if you're into that kind of thing, just please check out my channel and please consider subscribing. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.